guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial video I'm gonna demonstrate you how to create beautiful bookmarks from waste clothing tags. So let's have some creative fun with me, and I think it is a good idea to utilize waste paper. So you just need any colors and less than 5 minutes to create these beautiful bookmarks. So let's get started. In this video I'm gonna use this tag to create bookmark. So impossible is nothing. I think it is a nice code, so I will keep it. You can just cut it in this way, or you can create another shape, and I will just use the back side of this tag to create beautiful design with watercolor. So I have just completed this design, and I will add tag into it. So now I am going to add text into it to make it more beautiful. So guys, in this way you can create beautiful bookmarks within few minutes. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share and also subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new here. Thank you so much.